Okay, for phonics today, let's start by reviewing our vowel sounds. We're going to do the short vowel sounds first, and then we'll do the long ones, and then the short ones again. Let's start with the short ones. A, apple, a, a, a. E, egg, e, e. I, iguana, I. O, octopus, ah. U, umbrella, And let's do the long sounds. These are the sounds where they say their names. A, acorn, A. E, eagle, E. I, ice, I. O, ocean, O. U, unicorn, U. And the short ones again, because that's what we're working on today. A, apple, a. Do it with me. E, egg, e. I, iguana, I. O, octopus, ah. U, umbrella, Open that umbrella. Today we're going to sort some of these cards based on the sound in the middle. We're listening for that short vowel sound. Ready? Let's start. This is a rat. Listen to the sounds in rat. What's in the beginning? That's right, ring. What's in the end? That's right, turtle. What's in the middle? Rat. That's right, it's apple. Let's put it up here. That one has the short sound. What about this word? This is a web. Where does web go? Rat, web. No. This one has an E, egg, sound. What about this word? This is a pin. Where do you think pin goes? Pin. What sound do you hear in the middle? Pin. Does it sound like rat or web? No. It has the I, iguana, I sound. What about this word? This is a dog. Does dog sound the same in the middle as rat? Listen to what's in the middle of dog. What do you hear? That's right, I heard that O, octopus, sound too. So is it the same as rat? No. Is it the same as web? No. Is it the same as pin? No. Dog. What about this word? This is a sun. Listen to the sound in the middle of sun. What letter sound do you hear? Did you hear umbrella like a short U? I did. So it's not the same as rat. That's an A in the middle. Web has an E, egg, in the middle. This has an in the middle. And this has a octopus in the middle. And now we have U. Let's label these categories. These words have an A apple, A in the middle. These have E egg, E in the middle. These words will have I iguana, I in the middle. These have O octopus, A in the middle. And these will have U umbrella, in the middle. Are you ready to do the next word? This is gum. Where does gum go? What sound do you hear in the middle of gum? Did you hear a like umbrella? That's right, it has a U in the middle, like sun. Listen, sun, gum. The middle sound is the same. What about this? This is a crab. Where do you think crab goes? Listen to what you hear in the middle. Crab. That's right, it has an A apple, A sound in the middle, just like rat. Listen, rat, crab. Let's look at net. Where do you think net goes? Did you hear like an egg? I did. It goes right there. Listen, web, net. They both have that sound in the middle. This is a pen. Where do you think pen goes? That's right, it also has an egg sound in the middle. Listen, pen. All right, what about this word? This is a fan. Where do you think fan goes? Listen, what sound do you hear in the middle of fan? Did you hear a like in rat and crab, fan? I did. It goes there. This is a pot. Where does pot go? Listen to the sounds in the middle. Pot. What do you hear in the middle? Did you hear a like octopus? Or like dog? It goes there. Listen. Dog, pot. They have the same sound in the middle. This is a mop. Where does mop go? What sound do you hear in the middle? Did you hear like an octopus? I did. It goes here too. Listen. Mop, pot, dog. They all have that same sound in the middle. Let's do 3 more. This is a hen. Where do you think hen goes? That's right. It has a in the middle, like web and net and pen. Hen. It has that egg sound. This is a box. Where do you think box goes? Did you hear that in the middle like an octopus? I did. And where does this last one go? This is a leg. Leg. Did you hear that in the middle? I did. It goes here too. Let's look at how we write some of these words. Yesterday we wrote our words that had the A in the middle. Today I want to write the words that have the E in the middle. Okay, here are those words with the E, egg, sounds in the middle. Let's write them. Watch. Look at what patterns you notice. There is web. Here is net. Here is pen. Here is hen. And here is leg. What do you notice that all of these words have that is the same? You can say, I notice. Do you see it? Do you need a hint? Look. Uh-oh, that marker doesn't work. What do they all have the same? You can say they all have. That's right, they all have an E in the middle. An sound. That makes sense. Because we know that letters match up to the sounds we hear with our ear and the sounds we make with our mouth. So if they all sound the same to our ear in the middle, that means they should all have the same sounds in the middle when we write them with letters. Miss Minion? I'm confused. I thought E made the eagle sound. What's this? Oh, no, Miss Minion. Those are the long vowel sounds. Letters have more than one sound. All these vowels have a long sound and a short sound. They have two different jobs. Sometimes they say their long sound, but sometimes they say their short sound. Right now we're focusing on the short sound. Pause now to do your phonics homework. Pausa ahora para hacer tu tarea de fonética. Look at these pictures and use your magnetic letters to make each of the words. Listen for the sounds in the beginning, middle, and end of the word. Mire esta imágenes y use sus letras magnéticas para formar cada una de las palabras. Escuche los sonidos al principio, a la mitad, y al final de la palabra. Remember that you will need to erase or clear each word after you make it. This way you can reuse the letters. You probably won't have enough letters for all the words at the same time. Recuerda que tendrás que borrar cada palabra después de que las hagas. De esta manera puedes reutilizar las letras. Probablemente no tendrás suficientes letras para todas las palabras al mismo tiempo. The words are bed, cup, jam, log, nut, 10. All right, don't